Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Miss Day. So I would also like for us to explore tints and shades. So as you can see here, I've set up a chart for you so that you can create basically value scales with your tints and shades. So for the tint, you're going to be mixing your color with white. Okay? So let's look at this. Let's do red and white. Okay, so this says color only. So red is my color. All right, so the first box is color only. Okay, and wash my brush, and then I'm going to actually paint this box with only white. Remember, don't pull the hairs, just dab it onto the paper, okay? So white is for this box. You won't be able to really see it, but you'll know that it's there. Okay, so if I'm going to be mixing red and white, I have to start with the lightest color, which is white. So I'm going to take some of my white and I'm going to move it over here so that I can mix it with the red. So this is going to be white with one dot of color for this box. So we're going to go this direction. So we're going to go from more white to more red. Okay, so I'm going to wash my brush so I don't contaminate my red. I'm actually going to get a scoop of red and I'm going to put it over here. So I'll be using that red instead of this one so that I do not contaminate. Wash my brush again. So now I'm going to add one dot of red. So that's the one dot. I'm going to add it to this white. So that's white with one dot of red. Okay, now I'm going to add another dot of red. And that goes here. Okay, another dot of red. And another dot of red. So there's basically a value scale of tints when you're adding white to red, or red to white, depending on which way you want to look at it. Okay, now we're going to look at shades. And for shades, we're going to be mixing a color with black. All right, so let me wash my brush. Let me flip this around. All right, so this time I'm going to be working with blue and black. Okay, so I'm going to take some of my blue and move it over here. Okay, and you can see this box is the color only. So we're starting out with the color and we're going to end with black. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to take one dot of black and mix it in with this blue. So one little dot of black. Does not take a lot. I'm going to mix it in with this blue. It'll just be a very slight change. Very slight change. Okay. Another dot of black. Mix it in with the blue. Okay, another dot of black. Another dot of black. And then this final box is black only. So I'm going to rinse off my brush, get all the blue paint out, tap it onto the towel, get some black. So now you can see the difference between the blue with the black added to it. Okay, and that is a value scale for shades. Okay, so tint is when you add white, shades is when you add black, and the one we don't have on here is tone, which is when you add gray. But we're just going to focus on tints and shades. Okay, you could make your tints and your shades with any color. You just have to make sure tints that you're working with white and shades you're working with black. All right, good luck. Thank you.